Welcome to GrumpyMan's Reviews. Today we're looking at the NESPRESSO Vertuo Plus coffee machine. I got this at a reduced price as I'm doing a review for the Insider campaign. At the moment they have an offer on until January 2021. If you buy this coffee machine, you get 100 free capsules. Mine are on the way, they're not here yet. This NESPRESSO coffee machine makes 5 different cup sizes. Some information on this side. It's letting you know that you get 12 capsules included. Link in the description box below if you're interested in this machine. Bit more information on that side. Then some information on there. I just want to show you the top part. That's quite cool, the way the box is made. This one, as you can see there, it's in black. They do come in different colour as well. Okay, let's get it in the box. Quite cool, that. Some paperwork. There are 3 different models you can get. And the safety instructions. You get 2 years guarantee with this. Let's look at the coffees that are included. Some information there of the different coffees that are included. And the actual capsules there. Each capsule on the rim has this little barcode on. The machine reads that and then gives you the right amount of water. It's got the name there and it's letting you know 40 milliliter and 1.35 fluid ounces. Some information there. This one's a big one. You need a mug for this. 230 milliliter, 7.77 fluid ounces. They have a decent selection in here. Which one's this? Double espresso. Cup holder / drip tray. It's got some branding on there. This is plastic. It's got my number on there. This is removable, so you are able to wash this. The water tank. That's what it looks like from the bottom. Lid at the top. Remove that, of course, fill it with water and close it. Just remove this paper. The main unit at the back, it's a fixed cord. It has an arm at the back, that's where the water container would go. And it would only go on one way. This cutout there would face forward, going one way. Good thing about this is, it's good for storage. You could move it to the left, or you can move it to the right. Leave it there for now. That's a good feature, that. Moving on to the side, if I just remove that, this is where the used capsules would fall. You can see in there. Nothing else there. That just would fit on like that. Nothing on this side. Let's look at the other side. Nothing there. At the bottom of the unit, there are 7 rubber feet to hold the unit in place, and there's an information sticker there. At the front, it's got the cutouts there. That's where the cup holder would go. If you're using a large cup, you leave it at the bottom. If you're using a small cup for an espresso, you can put it there at the top. From here, of course, that's where the coffee would come from. This sticker is just letting you know to clean the machine. To lift the lid up, you just push it up. It's got to be powered on for it to lift up, because I tried it before. The machine wasn't plugged in, it wouldn't open. Inside the coffee machine, this grey part here, that's where the capsules would go, and they would only go in one way. You drop them in like that, close it, then the machine reads the barcode on there and it knows how much water to get. It spins the capsule and the water together really fast and gives you a perfect coffee. To close it, just push it down. At the top of the coffee machine, there's only one button to make your coffees, and you'd also use the same button to do the cleaning cycle. Before we could make any coffee, we need to run a clean cycle first. I washed the container and I filled it up. Place it there. I've placed a jug underneath. Turn the machine on. Now I need to push that button 3 times. The machine is still going on with its cycle, but it stopped and I managed to change the jugs around. But I wanted to show you, this is why it's very important on your first go, make sure to run the clean cycle. If you can see at the top of the water, there's some stuff floating around. Is it gone? There it is. Once that's done, I'll be back and we'll finally make a coffee. The cleaning cycle has completed now. Now for the fun part, I could make my drink. I've refilled it. With the mugs, it's going to be trial and error, but the mug I'm using there is a 255 millilitres on 9 fluid ounces. And the coffee I'm going to make is this one, and it says there 230 millilitres or 7.77 fluid ounces. So that should be right for that. As I showed before, it would only go in one way. Push it down. That you heard that little noise, it's made a hole in there now. All I do is push the start button. I'm also taking a picture of this so I could share it with the Insiders campaign. That smells delicious. That looks delicious. All I need to do is obviously add sugar or sweetener and milk to it, because this machine does not do milk. At the top it's green, so it's ready if I want to make another drink. So I just wanted to show you this. If I lift out, then the capsule has gone at the back. There's a scheme where if you go online, register, get a bag sent out to you, and then you can recycle the capsules as well. Well, there you have it, that with the NESPRESSO Vertuo Plus. Time for me to enjoy my coffee now. Any questions, let me know in the comment section below. If the video was useful, give it a thumbs up and do subscribe to watch more. Thank you very much for watching. I'll see you all in my next video.